Good evening. Thank you for joining us on this Friday night. I'm Heidi Alaga. Senator Mark Kelly is making his way through Arizona, holding town halls today. He held one here in Midtown, and the topic of discussion was Medicaid. KGUN 9's Maria Stobbs tells us about the conversation at Pima Community College's district office.
Senator Mark Kelly spoke with Arizonans about potential cuts to Medicaid, and he also heard from families who rely on the program. Native Tucsonans like Chad Derns choking up when sharing his inability to work as he suffers from multiple sclerosis. Arizona's state Medicaid, also known as Access, helps him afford necessities like MRIs or infusion treatments.
The level cost of those things would be devastating.
Several parents shared similar concerns over how Medicaid cuts could hurt their children.
I'm just so worried about him losing this community.
I want to make sure that people like Alexa are not ending up in institutions again.
President Donald Trump promised he would not cut Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid benefits. However, House Republicans passed a budget resolution telling the Energy and Commerce Committee to make $880 billion in cuts through 2034, which Senator Kelly says would threaten Medicaid and the expansion of Medicaid that has extended coverage to over 600,000 Arizonans.
The reason they're doing this is so they can provide a big tax cut for billionaires.
While it's unclear yet how Medicaid spending cuts could impact state programs, Kelly says the Energy and Commerce Committee could shrink the federal medical assistance percentage, which provides states with financial support for Medicaid. Or he says they could add work requirements to the program.
They would say to Chad, you got to go out and get a job.
Now Kelly says he plans to take these stories to his colleagues ahead of the Senate vote.
People are sometimes on the fence about things, and you can persuade them.
And he's encouraging his constituents to call lawmakers.
Mobilize. Mobilize. Mobilize.
Reporting from Midtown, Maria Stobbs, KGUN 9.